Hi, this is Fred Price with Lauren Homes. I'm standing outside of one of our houses that we're building for a client, and we're starting to get a lot of calls because of the hurricane about ripping out tile and replacing the floors after the drywall. And I really want to give you guys a look at vinyl. They call them luxury vinyl planks, or LVPs. This is a new home construction. A lot of new homes are putting this in. It's very soft on the feet, looks great. You don't have to chip up the floors in order to put this over top. We have a spectacular installer. I actually did this on my office on Del Prado Boulevard, where we had old dated tile and I did not want to rip it all out. So I came in and I put the luxury vinyl planks into the office. It looks great. If you are interested in talking a little bit more about replacing your flooring, I would definitely think about the luxury vinyl planks. You're more than welcome to call our office, 239-829-1520, or stop by at 1425 Del Prado Boulevard South. You can see what it looks like in my office. We have about 4 or 5 colors that we bought some with our tile installer that will be able to put those in, and it will save you a lot of time, a lot of cost also, because this is a very good product to use on your floor. So Fred Price, Lauren Homes, looking forward to hearing from you.